So hi guys, Lee and Michele here. Apologies, it's been a while since our last video, but we wanted to just explain that we've had a particularly busy summer.
It has been a little bit busy, yes.
Hectic, I think. We've gone to festivals we've not done before. Our eldest graduated.
Yes, that was pretty special.
So apologies if we're not getting the videos out as regularly as we would like. We've got a couple of festivals that we still need to get videos out for.
Yeah.
And there's still a lot of our trip to France and Spain,
which we are way behind on.
Yeah, so apologies.
That's the royal way, because Lee does the videos. There's nothing to do with me.
Well, we do the videos, I do the editing.
Yes.
And you put up with the moaning. So this video is going to focus on our trip to Vanlove 2025.
Yep.
And this was our first visit to Vanlove. And from the sounds of it, that particular venue, which was Elvington Airfield in York, it's going to be the last one.
Yes.
So we believe Vanlove are looking for a new venue for next year, but I guess we'll find out more in due course. So if you want to see some more of this, stay tuned to find out exactly what happened at Vanlove Festival. What you would have just seen was an intro to a performance. So the day prior to that, we had a phone call from Lindsay from Vanlove, who asked if I could fill a 1 hour gap on the adventure stage, which was a bit daunting, which I did. Bits of it were very good. Bits of it were very good. It was very hot. We'd walked 22 minutes from our van to the stage. It was quite a long way in, I think it was about 27-degree heat.
Very humid.
Yeah, so it was. I was a bit broken by the time I got to the stage. Hadn't taken that into account. And as you see, at least I got a round of applause at the end. So
you did, yes. He was very good.
It was alright. So this was Michele and I queuing to get into Vanlove Festival. It was very hot and the aircon had broken on the van, so we weren't best pleased.
So here we are, queuing for what I'm not quite sure what. I think we're going to be driving around the runway. But yes, painful. Not...
Next up, it was over to the adventure zone, to the adventure stage. We kind of went on stage, or I went on stage after Tread the Globe had just finished.
Yep.
So that was nice. Hi Chris and Marianne, didn't actually get to meet you again. But
it's all about you.
It's all about me.
Hold me close and say words like you used to do. Dancing on the kitchen tiles, it's all about you. You say that you've never been, all the things that you see slowly fade away. I'm so in love with you, I'll be forever blue. I thought love was only true in fairy tales. Wait. Well, since I saw her standing there, if walls break down, I would comfort you. Caught in a trap, can't walk out, because I love you too much, baby. Why can't you see, what you're doing to me? When you don't believe what I say, why can't you see what you're doing to me? When you don't believe what I say. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.
And I wanted to say a very big thank you to Claire and Jay, who were in the audience for my performance and were very constructive with their comments, and lessons, as I say, have been learned. So after all of that, I'm afraid we were beat. So we went back to the van and missed the evening's entertainment with Ellie Sachs. But we did have a lovely tea and enjoyed a lovely sunset before the weather came in the following day. We waited for a bus, but the bus came and went the other way and never actually came to the bus stop. So we were all waiting and had to walk. Bus never came. We're now walking up.
It's a little bit wet.
Oh, lady in the back. I see you, sir. I see you there. But she's like saying, Levi, come on, man.
Oh my life!
So it's at this point where we really have to say thank you to Alex and the team from Continental Tyres who let us take refuge under their canopy. Didn't feel quite so bad because we'd recently had 4 Continental van contact tyres fitted. So thank you very much. So Levi Roots continued with his show throughout the rain. Did a great job. Unfortunately, with the weather being so bad, a lot of people did choose to go home on the Saturday afternoon. And as you can see here, we finally did get a bus back, but it was absolutely soaking wet. Yeah, the weather was very, very up and down.
It was very, very hot one day, and very, very wet the next day. There was no up and down. It was one day was too hot and one day was too wet. There you go.
And then Sunday was kind of in between.
Yes.
We almost didn't stay for the convoy.
Survivors convoy.
Because we weren't quite sure if it was going on because we hadn't got an FM radio, which is something we'll source. And the convoy was excellent. The convoy was
great fun.
Very, very good fun. In amongst that, over the weekend, we got to see Ignacio Lopez. I think that was probably the 5th or 6th time I'd seen him.
And we got a picture with him.
Got a photo with him. Oh,
drop in.
Boys, it's not just Puss in Boots, okay? I've got it on. Oh my god, that's amazing. You grew up on holiday. I didn't grow up on holiday, you stupid bastards, alright? Starting to look a bit like a heifer. Maybe you should cut back on the Stella. Cut back on the Stella.
The other comedians, whose names I forget, were very good as well.
They were.
Very enjoyable. After the comedians then, it was time for a communal sing-song. So we hung around for that for a little while. And just down on the end there was the Little Alien Barbecue Company, who kept a fire going all throughout the bad weather.
And
yes,
we also got to watch the wonderful Hokum and Hooch, who were brilliant. Highly recommend, if you get the chance, to go and have a listen to them. To where you once belong. Get back, They have a lovely sound.
Yeah, no, excellent. Really enjoyed. In fact, sorry, Chris Moyles, but we didn't bother going to see.
We preferred Hokum.
We didn't bother going to see Chris Moyles to get a very early seats at Hokum and Hooch.
No, we saw the first 5 minutes of Chris Moyles and then decided we were going to go and wait and see Hokum and Hooch.
And I think we made the right decision.
Yeah, they were very good.
Some of the information could have been easier to find, I think, while we were there.
Entering Vanlove was a little bit challenging.
Yeah.
We'll leave it at that. Oh, and we need to say hi to our neighbours.
Yes, so hello to Paul and Claire, the Devals,
who had the unfortunate luck of having to sit next to us
for the weekend. So it was lovely to meet you. And
Reggie the dog. And if you'd like to see more of Lee playing guitar, please let us know. And equally, if you've had too much of Lee playing guitar, please let us know. It would be good to get
Subscriber feedback.
your feedback
Yeah.
as to what you'd like to see more or less of. Stop saying that.
We'll stop saying that. I think it doesn't matter because I'm just recording. I can just delete it out.
Yeah, but you're making
No,
more work for yourself.
I am.
Right, that's it. Anyway, like, subscribe, comment, ding the bell.
But it would be really helpful, really helpful if people could comment when you watch the videos, because the way YouTube works, we don't see who's liking the posts and don't necessarily see who all the subscribers are. Maybe we're doing something wrong, I don't know. So if you can comment, even if it's an emoji, even if it's just a hi or a good or it was okay or whatever.
Drop a guitar emoji if
absolutely.
you can't think of anything else.
And you want more Lee on the guitar, because let's face it, everybody does. That yellow thing in the sky is the sun. Oh, good. There we go.
Yeah, you might as well get a bit closer, then we stand a chance of at least understanding if there is anything. And if not, we'll just go check.
Nothing behind. There we are.
We're in the convoy, Lee.
Hello. Yes, we've not done this before, have we?
No.
This is a new one. So, Doolittle's to our left.
There's Doolittle's. He has got his big stick out. Got ya! It was brilliant. It's really good fun.
guys. Bye.
Cheers. Bye. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one.